Hi, sir.
Hello,
I'm Shreya.
I'm Kuldeep.
I'm from Team Drone Expo.
Okay.
And I'm here to ask you a few questions
Sure.
about you and your company.
Yes.
So, give me a brief about yourself and your company.
So, Pyreign Technology is a drone manufacturer. We produce standardized drones, which are tailoring the needs of the market, as well as we are providing customized solution to the service providers so that we can make the drones as per their customization.
So, what product are you specifically showing in the Drone Expo?
In this Drone Expo, we are showcasing our first prototype, that is a surveillance drone. It has an endurance of 120 minutes and the range of 100 kilometers. And in the further, we are also showcasing our course, which will be hands-on practice for the students as well as the professionals.
That's great to hear, sir.
Yeah.
So, coming on to the exhibition, did you find the right visitors for your business?
Yes, definitely. There are a lot of enthusiasts as well as business partners which I was able to talk to, and hopefully after the event, I will be collaborating and working together with them.
That's glad, sir. So, are you looking to participate for the next year edition of Drone Expo?
I definitely want to participate in the next event as per my schedule and the timeline of the Drone Expo.
We would love to see you there as well, sir.
Yes.
And thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you so much.
Wish you best of luck.
Yeah.
Upcoming
Thank you so much.